I bought 3 furnitures. I have 2 cats. I listen to a lot of musics. Wait, this doesn't sound right. What's wrong with these expressions? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English, and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, why do we count some things and not others? That's a good question. You see, there are some things that we can count with numbers, but there are other things that are difficult to count exactly. Luckily, there are many things that we can count, so we add an S to the ends of those words. We can count cats, so we can say, I have 2 cats. We can also count a lot of other things, like hospitals, countries, dollars, and much more. But other things are harder to count. We call these things non-count nouns or mass nouns because we look at them like one big thing, and it's too hard to count exactly what belongs to it. Some examples of these non-count nouns are furniture, makeup, homework, music, rice, luggage, popcorn, and a few more. Try counting something like music. That's too confusing. We can't say, I listen to many musics. But we can say, I listen to many songs, because we can count songs, but we can't count music. So let's avoid confusion and learn to use count and non-count nouns correctly and confidently. Repeat after me for some speaking practice. I have 5 coworkers in my office. I have 5 coworkers in my office. There are many flowers and herbs in my garden. There are many flowers and herbs in my garden. There are a lot of libraries in my city. There are a lot of libraries in my city. I bought a lot of rice from the supermarket. I bought a lot of rice from the supermarket. The airport staff helped me carry my luggage. The airport staff helped me carry my luggage. I have so much homework to do tonight. I have so much homework to do tonight. So, do you understand when we use S at the end of a word? Let's try out a quiz. I have 5 in my kitchen. I have 5 chairs in my kitchen. They purchased a lot of new furniture. My father bought my mother a new bag of makeup. Good job, everyone. So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free, and you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye.